This is Big Box Store, one of the largest retailers in the world. Big Box is known for their wide selection of products at very competitive prices. With all the merchandise they stock, Big Box has narrow aisles throughout their stores. Like most retailers, Big Box surface mounts their fire extinguishers, AED machines, and many other life-saving products on columns high off of the floor to allow small children and carts to pass by without bumping into them. Unfortunately, by mounting them high, they are often not detectable by people who are blind or with vision impairments. The Americans with Disabilities Act 4-inch protruding object rules were designed to prevent these type of injuries from happening. These objects often exceed the 4-inch allowance when the leading edge is surface mounted above 27 inches off the ground. As Big Box mounts some of their extinguishers and other objects to structural columns throughout the store, the only solution is lower them and change the floor plan to accommodate carts and shoppers. Introducing the patent-pending Easy Mount Vertical Extension. With its living hinge technology, the Easy Mount Vertical Extension can rotate 90 degrees in either direction and always return to center. By self-installing the Easy Mount Vertical Extension under any object, Big Box can keep its existing extinguishers and other equipment mounted at the same height and comply with the 4-inch protruding object rules. Carts can easily pass by, and shoppers that are blind or have other vision impairments can detect that these objects exist, avoiding injury. And all of this at a fraction of the cost and inconvenience of lowering the extinguisher and expanding the width of the aisles. Safety and compliance are critical. Achieve both with the Easy Mount Vertical Extension. To find out more, visit us at easycomplyusa.com.